Welcome back, students. So, in the redox reaction chapter, balancing the unbalanced redox reaction, that part we have covered last time by the first method, that is the oxidation number method. वो method say how to balance a redox reaction, that we have studied. Now we have the second and the last method to balance unbalanced redox reaction. The second method is ion electron method. Ion electron method. Now with this particular example आपको पता चल जाएगा कि why this method is called ion electron method. So directly I start with the question. This is the question. Step 1 is always the question, only the same equation which is given to you in your question paper will be the first step, that equation you have to write. तो यहाँ पे भी आपको देखना है Cr2O7 2 minus plus C2O4 2 minus plus H plus gives Cr3 plus CO2 plus H2. In this equation, more specifically in this particular redox reaction, ions are involved. Can you see these ions? Minus ions, anion, cation. Okay, that's why the word ion is there. Okay, and as we proceed, आपको पता चल ही जाएगा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी इन्वॉल्व है ये इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करने में. That's why the method is called ion electron method. Now, so first step, the same question you have to copy. Now, step 2, similar to the oxidation number method only. You have to write down the oxidation numbers above the elements present in the ion or molecule. So you start with Cr2O7. We know that oxidation number is always -2. So you can find out the oxidation number of chromium. Charge is -2 overall molecule. So you can get the answer +6 for chromium. Then in this molecule again oxygen is -2. Okay, and here also this molecule is having charge -2. यहाँ पे भी -2 है, oxalate ion. So you get the answer for carbon +3, oxidation number of carbon. H +1. Cr3 plus, so charge will be equal to the oxidation number, only one element. CO2, oxidation number of oxygen is -2, already written here, -2. So you will get answer +4 for carbon, and here +1 for hydrogen and -2 for oxygen. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर सेकेंड स्टेप में हमको लिखना इसलिए ज़रूरी है so that you will come to know which species or which ion is getting oxidized and which is getting reduced. कौन सा एलिमेंट ऑक्सीडाइज होता है, कौन सा एलिमेंट रेड्यूस होता है, वो पता चलेगा. So next step 3, you write down the half reactions for reduction and oxidation. So reduction means you look here now, Cr +6 and right hand side Cr +3. Oxidation number change हुआ है. Okay, oxidation number has decreased. That means this particular ion has undergone reduction, and specifically chromium has undergone reduction from +6 +6 to +3. And which is the oxidation half reaction, again continue, carbon +3 and here carbon +4. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर बढ़ चुका है, +3 यहाँ पे कार्बन, यहाँ पे +4, so it is increased by +1. That's why that will be oxidation half reaction. After writing down the reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction, आपको दोनों रिएक्शन को बैलेंस करना है. So step 4 will be balancing reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction. How you can balance? See, start with the reduction half reaction. How many chromium atoms on the left hand side? 2. How many chromium atoms here? Only 1. Multiply by 2 here. So balanced. Okay. Secondly, the reaction is carried out in the acidic medium. ये क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया रहेगा, रिएक्शन इज कैरिड आउट इन द एसिडिक मीडियम। सो इफ द रिएक्शन इज कैरिड आउट इन द एसिडिक मीडियम, आपको ऑक्सीजन को बैलेंस करना है। कैसे करेंगे? 7 oxygens on the left hand side, so oxygens are always balanced with water molecule in acidic medium. So 7 oxygens, you will require 7 molecules of water, and 7 molecules of water you have to write on the right hand side, not on the same side, write on the other side. So oxygen also balanced. Now here, since you have added 7 molecules of water, that means 14 hydrogens you have added on the right hand side, so that you have to balance. So you have to write 14H plus on the left hand side. Okay, hydrogen also you have to balance. Now lastly, number of electrons on the left hand side and the right hand side, charges जिसको बोलते हैं 14 plus 14 1 4, 14 minus 2 12, कितना चार्ज होगा यहाँ पे? Okay, 14 plus and this will be 12. How many plus charge here? On the right hand side plus 3 into 2 plus 6. यहाँ पे right hand side में plus 6 है, यहाँ पे plus 12 है, तो कैसे बैलेंस करेंगे? Left hand side you add 6 electrons, so plus 12 minus 6 will be plus 6. So plus 6 on the left hand side, plus 6 on the right hand side. Reduction half reaction is balanced. Okay, reduction half reaction is balanced. Now we have to balance the oxidation half reaction. कैसे बैलेंस करेंगे? ऑक्सैलेट आयन C2O4 2 minus, okay, C2O4 2 minus giving 2 CO2. Okay, कार्बन इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड, यहाँ पे +3 है, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे लिखा था +3, CO2 में कार्बन +4 है, so you write here and balance. First you will balance carbon, here carbon 2, here only 1, so multiply by 2. Okay, and in this reaction, okay, already we don't have, no need to balance of hydrogens here. Now why there is no need of balancing hydrogen in this step? ऑक्सीजन कितने हैं यहाँ पे? 4, यहाँ पे कितने हो गए? 4, so no need of balancing the oxygen with water molecule. Now we will directly come to the number of electrons should be equal on both the side. Okay, तो यहाँ पे कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में -2 means 2 electrons, राइट हैंड साइड में नहीं है, तो you add +2 electron on the right hand side. So in terms of electrons also, the oxidation reaction or oxidation half reaction is balanced. Now very important, the last step. In the last step you have to add, okay, you have to add the balanced reduction half reaction and balanced oxidation half reaction आप add कर दो, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड आप लिखो. ओके, और यहाँ पे एक बात ध्यान में रखना है, if the electrons in the reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction are not balanced, that also finally you have to balance first, then you will add both the reactions. तो यहाँ पे आपको देखना है कि ये रिएक्शन में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है? 2, यहाँ पे कितने हैं? 6 electrons. Okay, so what you will do here? This reaction will multiply by 3, so 3 C2O4 2 minus 3 to the 6 CO2, 3 to the 6 electrons, so 6 electrons in the oxidation half reaction and 6 electrons in the reduction half reaction. Balance. Now you add left hand side right hand side, and after adding, this is the final equation we are getting, where all the atoms along with their charges are balanced. Okay, they are balanced. तो आपको फाइनली क्या मिलता है? एक बैलेंस्ड रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. ओके, जो आपके क्वेश्चन में बिगिनिंग में अनबैलेंस्ड था. So by ion electron method, this way you have to balance the unbalanced redox reaction. So dear students, just go through this explanation carefully, very important, because since the balancing part of the redox reaction is lengthy, so of course marks allotted for these questions are more. 3 marks question can come. So practice some more example, solved example from the book. Any doubts you can ask. Okay, of course, our revision lectures, some more examples we can solve that I will show you. And keep on writing your notes. When the chapter gets over, like this one now, this chapter is over. So this chapter is over, immediately you have to submit the notes. Okay, wait for the message, send by me in the group. So dear students, we will continue next time. That's all for today. Okay, so you take care and have a nice day. Thanks.